Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Mazda has been doing a great job at keeping the CX-60 a secret since this is only the second time the all-new SUV is being spotted. Caught undergoing final testing in Germany, the automaker's first ever PHEV had the production body hiding underneath relatively thin camouflage. It would seem the Zoom company won't be rocking the boat in terms of the design, which isn't to say that's a bad thing. Mazda makes some of the prettiest SUVs in the game, and it looks like the CX-60 will also be a handsome family hauler. Despite the familiar look, the CX-60 is completely different underneath the skin. It rides on a newly developed rear-wheel drive platform engineered with longitudinal engines. Logic tells us we're looking at the PHEV since the electrified version has been confirmed with over 300 horsepower. It would make sense to give the most potent model a quad exhaust setup, even if it's deceiving. Okay, but where's the charging port? We only get to see the right side of the vehicle and there's no fuel cap. The one for gasoline is presumably on the left side as it's the case with ICE-only Mazdas. Some plug-in hybrids, such as the ones from Mercedes, have the charging port in the rear bumper. That means it's either on the front left fender or in the grille. We are ruling out the first scenario since the camo-free prototype spotted in November 2021 didn't have it there. That would leave the grille as the place where Mazda has hidden the charging port, much like Genesis with the electrified GV70. However, in some parts of the world where diesels are still relevant, the new wave of SUVs will be offered as a plug-in hybrid based around a Skyactiv D inline 6. Mild hybrid 4-cylinder powertrains will be joined by a 4-pot PHEV. In fact, the CX-60 will use a 2.5-liter gasoline engine with 4 cylinders and an electric motor to produce over 300 horsepower. Part of Mazda's plan to electrify its lineup is also a range-extending rotary engine for the MX-30. The small electric crossover is already offered in select countries as a mild hybrid model with a 2.0-liter gasoline engine. Meanwhile, the CX-60 is set to debut on March 8 and go on sale later this year in Europe.